Disasters can strike at any time. You may need to survive on your own for several days. Preparing an emergency survival kit with your own food, water, and other supplies can keep you and loved ones safe until help arrives. To assemble your kit, put your entire disaster supplies kit in 1 or 2 easy-to-carry containers such as plastic bins or a duffel bag. Here are the must-have items. Water. Make sure you have at least 1 gallon per person per day, both for drinking and for sanitation. The more water you can fit into your bin, the better. Food. Choose non-perishable food, something that can be eaten right out of the can, like vegetables, pasta, or chili. Don't forget a manual can opener. Flashlight. Make sure you have extra batteries.
This has been No Weather Radio, all hazards.
A weather radio. A hand-cranked radio is best, but if it takes batteries, make sure you have a fresh set. There are even some radios that have flashlights and USB ports for charging devices such as cell phones. A fully stocked first aid kit. Check expiration dates each year and replace anything that is expired or soon will be. Be sure not to forget about your pets and your little ones. Remember to include diapers, infant formula, medicine, bottles, and any other necessary essentials for your children. For pets, keep extra food, collapsible bowls, and medicine with your kit. And speaking of medicine, keep several days' worth of any prescriptions and over-the-counter medications in your kit for all members of your household. Once you've assembled your kit, be sure to store it in a cool, dry place like your kitchen pantry that's easily accessible to all members of the household. Check your kit every few months to ensure expired items are replaced and that the kit is updated to meet any new household needs. After assembling and storing your home emergency kit, consider assembling one for your workplace and your car. You never know where you'll be when a disaster hits, so you need to be prepared no matter where you might be. For a complete list of items and ideas about how to build your kit, visit Ready.gov/kit.